This is verse 38 of the 12th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has been responding to the religious leaders who had first accused him of doing miracles in the power of Satan. Jesus warns them how close they are to what is commonly called the unpardonable sin, and at this point also warns them that by their words they will be justified or condemned. And of course their words at this point have been sufficiently serious to warrant that warning to them, and almost as if they're trying to adjust the attitude by which they're approaching him. We have then verse 38, tota. This is an indeclinable adverb. It means then. Apokrithesan from apokrinomai means answer. It takes the dative as we see it here, third person plural, aorist active indicative. So then they answered him. The subject is tenes, and indefinite pronoun means some, and so some ton grammateon, some of the scribes, kai pharisaion, and Pharisees. So some of them, not all of them apparently, maybe a different set of voices from those that had made the original accusation. But one way or another, again, it's the religious leaders answered him, some of them. Legontes, present participle from lego, I say. This is the masculine plural nominative, referring to the subject. Some of the scribes, Pharisees, answered him, saying. Didaskala, teacher, in the vocative, singular. Fellow men, first person plural of fellow, I wish or I want. We wish. Apo, preposition, takes the genitive, su, we wish from you. Semeion, a sign. So we wish a sign. Idain, this is the present or aorist infinitive of edo, I see, we wish to see from you a sign. So apparently the sign that had been provided by Jesus, connected with freeing a man who was demon-possessed, wasn't sufficient for them. Another account of the same incident says we want to see a sign from heaven, as if what Jesus had shown them was a sign, as it were, from hell, and that didn't sufficiently distinguish his power from that of Satan. So they want to see a sign from heaven. It's implied here. Of course, Matthew doesn't put that in here directly, but it's sort of implicit in what they say. So they're still pushing. They still want more. They want another sign. They want something that Jesus can just invoke by snapping his fingers to really impress them at this point. They still haven't been persuaded. And so Jesus, of course, is going to meet that particular demand by another warning that he gives to them in the succeeding discussion.